Can we speculate about Bigfoot's social and family life without studying a known population? The answer is yes. Bigfoot's lifestyle would likely resemble the habits of known hominidae species. Eyewitness accounts describe Bigfoot's body as muscular, with a sizable head, similar to Australopithecus robustus. This now extinct hominoid had large jaw muscles for grinding tough plant matter, such as nuts. It is believed that this species was primarily a vegetarian. It may have eaten meat occasionally, like many great apes do today. This would fit with reports about Bigfoot. Most sightings do not mention him consuming large amounts of meat. Bigfoot is typically described as having a large muscular head, suggesting that he may have a fibrous plant-based diet. There are some notable differences between Australopithecus robustus and Bigfoot. For instance, Australopithecus robustus averaged just over 4 feet tall, while most reports suggest that Bigfoot is over 6 feet tall. All known living and extinct hominids are subtropical or tropical species, except Homo sapiens and possibly Homo erectus. The jury is still out on the geographical range of Homo erectus. Evidence suggests that Bigfoot prefers temperate forests over the jungle. However, he has also been reported in grasslands, indicating that he is an adaptable creature capable of inhabiting different environments. Many skeptics argue that Bigfoot is a mythical creature because hominins do not inhabit temperate regions. However, just because Bigfoot inhabits non-tropical areas does not rule him out as a living being. For instance, the famous Japanese macaques are primates that thrive in temperate climates. A temperate climate is a geographic region with 4 distinct seasons, warm summers and cool winters. It is found between the tropics and the polar regions. Many Bigfoot sightings describe adults alongside young. For example, there is a photograph from Beacon, New York, depicting an adult Bigfoot with its offspring. Additionally, a video from Alberta, Canada, allegedly shows a Bigfoot holding an infant. All hominidae species have long childhoods before they become independent adults. This would likely hold for Bigfoot, too. Most living hominids, including humans, live in complex social societies. However, there is an exception, the orangutan. Orangutans only come together during courtship, remaining solitary at all other times. After mating, they avoid interacting with each other. Based on most eyewitness reports, Bigfoot's behavior resembles that of solitary orangutans. While all known living hominids are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day, most sightings of Bigfoot occur in the evening or at night. When Bigfoot engages with humans, it is usually at night, suggesting a nocturnal animal. For example, a report from Wyoming in 2025 described a massive, hairy, ape-like creature entering an RV park at night and running amok. Unfortunately, the report did not specify a location. Since most Bigfoot sightings occur in the Wind River region, this incident likely took place there. Numerous backpackers have reported dodging rocks thrown at them by an unknown animal for a short time. I had a similar experience years ago. Although I never saw Bigfoot, I did notice the rocks flying through the air towards me. It was a scary and unpleasant experience. Given the rarity of these attacks, it suggests that Bigfoot is not an inherently aggressive creature. However, like many hominids, Bigfoot is likely very territorial. The displays of aggression observed may be more of a bluff than a full-fledged attack, similar to the behavior of gorillas. The primary aim of these aggressive displays is to drive out an unknown primate from its territory rather than to cause harm. Many hominids construct nests from plant materials for sleeping, which are easy to spot. Currently, I have not come across any reports of Bigfoot nests being discovered on the ground or in trees. Have you? This suggests that Bigfoot may not create nests before settling down to sleep. It's still a mystery where Bigfoot hides from predators while sleeping. However, there is one account of an adult Bigfoot living in a cave with several offspring. The possibility of Bigfoot residing in hidden caves could explain why no sleeping areas have been discovered. Ancient animals, such as cave bears, are known to have lived in caves. There are likely over 1,000 caves in the U.S. that remain undiscovered, uncharted, and unexplored, which could serve as ideal habitats for Bigfoot. Recently, my colleagues and I, who are enthusiastic cave explorers, stumbled upon an unknown cave at Hole-in-the-Wall, Wyoming. It appeared that someone or something had constructed a crude wall to conceal the entrance. Could a Bigfoot have built this wall? It's possible. Bigfoot, like all primates, is capable of vocalizations. It can produce a variety of sounds that convey different meanings for communication. However, it has not developed speech or language. Currently, there is no evidence that Bigfoot creates stone tools or uses fire. Likewise, bonobos or pygmy chimpanzees do not utilize fire or make stone tools. Considering the lack of evidence for fire-making and stone tool skills, we can postulate that Bigfoot's intelligence is about the same as a bonobo. A small group of Bigfoot theorists advocate that he is a space alien that visits the Earth from time to time. This theory could explain why the species is not more common and has never been captured. If that is the case, we have no existing model to base Bigfoot's lifestyle on. Who knows what a critter from another world needs? We cannot predict how a creature from another world behaves or what it requires to survive. Therefore, your guess about Bigfoot's behavior and genetic makeup is as good as anyone's if he is a visitor from another planet. Many witnesses have reported Bigfoot with offspring, indicating it might have a small, stable population. While this is a positive sign, the limited number of sightings raises concerns. Is Bigfoot thriving? Probably not. Is Bigfoot headed for extinction? Most likely. Be sure to catch my next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye for now.